Ride with confidence with GP Kompozit. Since 2006, GP Kompozit has been delivering innovative solutions that enhance the safety and comfort of motorcycle riders. Our product range includes functional and durable motorcycle accessories, such as crash bars, windshields, and luggage systems. Operating in a 20,000 square meter production facility with a team of 250 skilled professionals, GP Kompozit reaches riders through a wide network of dealers and distributors across Turkey, as well as 14 GP shops, expanding through our franchise system. Each of our products embarks on a meticulous journey of quality, from the arrival of raw materials to the moment it reaches the end user. Our production facility is quality, occupational health and safety, and environmental management. Every stage from raw material analysis to final product inspection is recorded and monitored in accordance with global standards. Our production processes consist of lines that require high precision and craftsmanship, consisting of many production stages such as plastic injection, CNC manufacturing, and laser cutting. Guided by detailed technical drawings, formulations, and reference samples, we ensure that every product we make is both aesthetically refined and functionally superior. All of our product development processes are carried out by our experienced engineers and R&D team, who continuously innovate to meet the real-world needs of motorcycle riders. As a leading brand in the industry, GP Kompozit offers a wide range of comfort and safety-enhancing accessories, from tank pads to deflectors, sissy bars to seat covers, handguards to handlebar risers. Our products are not only available throughout Turkey, but also exported to numerous countries, particularly across Europe and Asia. This success stems from our commitment to quality and our principle of 100% customer satisfaction. Your feedback matters to us. You can share your requests, suggestions, or complaints by emailing us at mustersmetleri@gpkompozit.com.tr. At GP Kompozit, we prioritize your safety, comfort, and satisfaction, working with passion to add value to every journey you ride.